Har Har Mahadev. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tilse Blues. Finally guys, I am back from an awesome journey from Prayagraj, Mahakumbh. And so is Chelsea back with another victory. Finally guys, we have won in the Premier League. जो बहुत बड़ा लंबा ड्रॉट हो गया था 5 मैचेस का विदाउट अ विन इन द प्रीमियर लीग. फाइनली वी हैव वॉन 3-1 अगेंस्ट वुल्व्स. इट वाज अ मंडे नाइट और इंडिया टाइम के हिसाब से बोले तो अर्ली ट्यूसडे मॉर्निंग मैच. अभी 1:30 का मैच था एंड अभी जस्ट खत्म हुआ है अराउंड 3 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग, 3:30 इन द मॉर्निंग. एंड बट यही तो चेल्सी फैन होने का एक पैशन है, यू नो. यू वेक अप in the nights to watch your team win, and finally we won guys, so that is a great part. Also this victory means we are in the top 4 again. We are at right now 40 points. हमारे 2 points पीछे Manchester City with the same number of games played at 38 points, and दो टीम्स हमारे से सिर्फ 4 points ahead है, वो है आर्सेनल और नॉटिंघम फॉरेस्ट, जो कंप्लीट सरप्राइज पैकेज रहा है इस सीजन का guys. And finally, Liverpool, of course, they are the current leaders in the Premier League and they are at 50 points. So exactly right now between Chelsea and Liverpool, 10 points का gap है with 22 matches played. जिसमें actually में Liverpool ने सिर्फ 21 खेले हैं क्योंकि उनका Everton वाला मैच postpone हो गया था. So the Premier League is really getting hotter, guys. The Premier League race is getting really close. Definitely Liverpool is an out and out winner, ये सबको लग रहा है, but at the same time second, third, fourth, fifth position it's not fixed right now. Even Manchester City के जो नीचे क्लब्स है, I believe Fulham है और Bournemouth है, maybe Brighton भी है, they are not very far away from them, like 1.2 points is separating them. So it is going to be a very close match race in this season. Premier League is going to be very close. So on that note guys, we have finally won. So let's talk about 6 things we learned from the match between Chelsea and Wolves. First things first guys, if you are liking the videos, do subscribe to the channel, and if you can share it more among your friends and family, to all the football fans out there, it will be awesome. So keep on sharing, keep on spreading the love. Go Dil Se Blues. So let's talk about the 6 things we learned from the match between Chelsea and Wolves. First goal हमारा Tosin ने स्कोर किया. Surprise. Tosin has become like a shadowy striker recently. उसका goal scoring form has been great. FA Cup में भी उसने 2 goal score किए थे, and both the goals were proper striker instinct वाले goals, you know, great first touch and then great finishes. And here also he had a very awesome first touch to score the goal. And basically the goal movement started like a cross था. Cross के बाद Reece James के पास ball आते he kind of was trying to shoot on goal. Actually he's showing his instincts, and he's very tall. He puts himself ahead of the defenders when he is in the opposite half, and guys, he is very calm in front of the goal. At least that is what I've seen. Jackson से better scoring कर रहा है इस मामले में, क्योंकि 3 out of 3 strikes he has now. So अच्छा goal score किया Tosin ने, and he opened the scoring for us. Going back defensively, he played fine. I wouldn't say he played really good, but he didn't play really bad as well. And Tosin is getting better day by day, match after match. Also he's our tallest defender, so उस चीज का भी एक different effect रहता है matches पे. And if he grows out to be really strong, you know, sky is the limit for Tosin. So keep on going Tosin. Great goal from you. The first green point for Tosin. Second thing we learned from this match is poor goalkeeping by Robert Sanchez. So guys, Robert Sanchez हमारे football club में kind of like a anomaly है. Honestly, throughout the match his goalkeeping was really good. Okay, he was controlling his box, he was making himself present, and बहुत अच्छे क्रॉसेस भी दे रहा था. मोस्टली उसको बॉल, यू नो, बहुत हार्डली डिफेंड करना पड़ रहा था क्योंकि वुल्व्स वर नॉट अटैकिंग दैट मच इनिशियली इन द फर्स्ट हाफ, बट एज द मैच ग्रू दे स्टार्टेड अटैकिंग मोर, एंड काइंड ऑफ लाइक इसी तरीके से उसकी मिस्टेक होती है एज दे ग्रू ऑन द मैच. Wolves had a good corner, but and that corner kind of like Robert Sanchez was able to catch the ball, but he wasn't able to hold on to the ball, and somehow it went for goals, and 1-1 each हो जाता है at the break of half time, guys. So this became a really tense moment for us, and Robert Sanchez does do this. He's playing really good at times, but he drops. So I'm seeing now like he's entering that from professional to a really good goalkeeper stage. From there, if he can go and become consistent, then we can say he is a world class goalkeeper. Then, but right now, Robert Sanchez has a lot of development to do, and इसीलिए it was one mistake from him, but it costed us. It could have costed us a lot, because हमें पता है our recent form has been really bad. एक गोल पड़ता वो 2 गोल मार देते, 3 मार देते, and going into half time 1-1 ईच के साथ जब हम लोगों ने इतनी डोमिनेंट स्टार्ट करी थी फुटबॉल मैच की, फर्स्ट 15 to 20 minutes we were going really crazy berserk, and then having this, it was really sad. But then again, this is what Robert Sanchez is for you guys. So 1-1 each, guys, to the second half. And coming to the third point, guys, the Spaniard wizard. Yes, guys, I'm talking about the guy with the curly hair and the fling and the zing, Marc Cucurella, guys. ये बंदा लेफ्ट बैक, एटलीस्ट मेरेस्का सिस्टम लेफ्ट बैक ना टू द टी खेलता है. Nobody is better in his position in our club other than Marc Cucurella. As an inverting fullback, he's the best. Because he understands this role completely, guys. उसको पता है not only defensively, offensively, midfield में जब बॉल कहाँ पे ट्रांजिशन में, which place he needs to be. And this has been really positive for Chelsea, because when Marc Cucurella plays as a left back, we can see we are much more able to attack better from the left as well as from the right. We are much more creating chances. देखो honestly कहूँ, गोल स्कोरिंग तो अपनी यही होती है 50-50 hit and miss रही है over the time, and which is getting better. That is fine. But at the goal creation chance, and especially good chance creation, it comes from a Cucurella oriented team, because he is able to be at different pockets in this be at different pockets in the match at the different times, and be it defensively, be it offensively. So again, great game from Marc Cucurella, defensively as well as offensively. He was there at the right place at the right time, and अच्छा goal score किया. Noni Madueke crossed. Kieran Dewsbury Hall was playing in the midfield, so he kind of flicked. He was also taking very good positions inside the box. I haven't given him a good card or a bad card in this match, but he played decent enough. And Kieran Dewsbury Hall is not part of 6 things we learned separately, but yeah, he was good in midfield. He wasn't bad, and he was taking really good positions. So he flicked onto the ball crossed by Noni Madueke, and that fell to Marc Cucurella. Marc Cucurella was just in front of goal, 2 defenders के साथ, सामने goalkeeper. He took a very good first touch and he converted. So kudos to Marc Cucurella. He's becoming really great into his position, and he's one of the key players in this Maresca system, to be very honest. The days we win, it is because Marc Cucurella is playing good, and the days we kind of lose or draw is the day Marc Cucurella is kind of playing little bad. So kind of like Chelsea form is going like the form of Marc Cucurella. And this brings us to the 4th point, guys, which was none other than our re-return debut from Trevoh Chalobah. Yes, guys, Trevoh Chalobah ने क्या match खेला है, guys. Defensively was really good. Aerially he was defending really well. Offensively also he was playing really, really good, guys. Trevoh Chalobah shows why Chelsea Youth Academy has been winning from generation to generation ages, right? Academy wins a lot of tournaments, a lot of cups over the years. Because Trevoh Chalobah is all and all throughout Chelsea Academy defender. He's very good with both of his feet. He's very good aerially, and he's very good with his presence of mind. अपनी body का भी he uses very well. He's very tall, He is, I think, second tallest guy in our team, from other than Tosin. And then he is very good on the ball. Uski kicking abilities, uski crossing abilities, the way he was switching ball from left wing to the right side, from the right side to the left side, the way he was crossing the balls, it was awesome. And the way he was picking up positions in between the match, in between the different positions, in between the midfield and the defense, and also when Chelsea was going offensively, was awesome. एंड जो तीसरा गोल था, टेक्निकली वो ट्रेवर चलेबा का ही गोल होना चाहिए था, बिकॉज if you could see the match, they passed on information through Reece James, and they passed on information to Cole Palmer when he was trying to cross the ball, क्योंकि हमें फ्री किक मिली थी ऐसे पोजीशन पे. एंड वॉट एन जो काइंड ऑफ कम्युनिकेट किया उन लोगों ने, वही काइंड ऑफ एग्जीक्यूट कर पाया. So that was awesome to see. Tosin was on the right side corner. I think the instruction was to put the ball as much as to the right side corner goal post jitna ho sake, and Trevor Chalobah was there to convert it. He kind of like leaped over the defender and he was going to score, but beach mein Noni Madueke aa gaya and he kind of took the goal from him. But at the same time, great return from Trevor Chalobah, and he showed why Chelsea has called him back and why he is missed. Especially to our sporting directors की I hope उनकी आंखें खुली हो, उनको समझ आया ट्रेवर चलेबा या हमारे यूथ अकेडमी के प्लेयर्स को, स्पेशली डिफेंडर्स को बेचने का बिल्कुल नहीं सोचना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो हमारे कोर पार्ट है टीम का. That's how Chelsea is formed. And if you think about it, I will love our defense to be Trevor Chalobah, Levi Colwill, Reece James, and फिर Marc Cucurella को डाल दो. So this is very strong, title winning defense it can become. So I really appreciate it, and kudos to Trevor Chalobah. ये बंदा अपने आप को हर साल हर बार प्रूव करने इसको opportunities भी मिलती है, इसको tough times भी मिलते हैं. He has to prove every damn year he has to prove himself in order to play in Chelsea, but he does. He shows what he stands up and he shows his passion that he loves Chelsea and the way he plays for Chelsea. Awesome defensive tackles, awesome defensive headers, and great almost goal from Trevor Chalobah, जो उसको एक assist मिला kind of like now. And moving to the fourth point, guys, guys, Noni Madueke scored the final goal, the third goal, and it was a very easy tap in for him. Basically, Trevor Chalobah had already headed the ball, and the ball was traveling towards the goal. But of course, being a winger, also making sure that we were 2-1 up, making sure the third goal will convert was, he kind of made sure that he headed the ball into the empty net, and that was great movement from Noni Madueke. Also, before this, he put a very good pre-assist because Kieran Dewsbury Hall ka flick ho gaya tha in the Marc Cucurella's goal, so it became a pre-assist, but it was a very beautiful cross from Noni Madueke. Noni Madueke is showing kyun he is playing on the right wing. Also, one challenge with him is he is little selfish at times, but I am not seeing that too much in these matches nowadays. Only trouble for me is like he's not able to go that much inside the box now and then take a shot. Mostly he's crossing nowadays. I believe उसको ना अपना selfishness या उसको अपनी crossing और instinct वापस लानी चाहिए, ताकि वो box के अंदर जाके convert कर पाए, because he is not scoring a lot of goals, and this was a easy goal, welcome goal for him, because he hasn't scored in a quite lot of match. In fact, great उसके movement या उसका moment ही यादगार यही था जब उसने Wolves के against last year एक hat trick मारी थी. So this is pretty much the Noni Madueke show finally. And I hope he gains his confidence and he becomes a bit better player consistently. That is the major part with Noni now. कि consistently उसको better player बनना है. And if he is able to do it, then fine, we will have a really good right winger, a complete world class right winger then. Okay, now he is really good. He can get to the pro level, and of course they are professionals, but he can become that star level, and from the star level then he can become a world class level. So hoping for that. Now coming to our 6 point, guys, it's going to be Reece James. Yes, guys, our captain is back, and the way he plays, मेरे को लगता है कोल पामर is really good and he is becoming world class. He is in fact a great talent and maybe he is world class, no doubt. But we have a very classy, sexy, awesome playing defender or right back at our club, and that is Reece James, guys, our captain, our club captain, Reece James, guys. And this guy, he plays so elegantly on the ball, guys. मतलब being a defender, like Thiago Silva के time पे, you know how elegant he is in defensively. डर नहीं लगता आपको. The way he tackles the ball, the way he controlled the midfield. Same way Reece James has developed himself up, and he's controlling the ball really beautifully. The way he is guiding the whole team now. He's making himself present. Coming after injury, and this is just the second match after injury, right? But clear दिखता है हम लोग कितना major player miss करते हैं when Reece James is not playing into our club. It's like कांटे जब नहीं खेल पा रहा था in his final years ना, जब उसको injury थी. How much we missed Kante, that Lampard season. Similarly, Reece James को इतना miss करते हैं हम, guys, can't even tell you, because when he plays, we look so better defensively, we look so better offensively, and we look so better organized as throughout. And Reece James की crossing, his shooting techniques, everything is awesome. Last match जो था kind of like Reece James की वजह से draw कर पाए थे, वरना तो वो भी नहीं होता. But this match, you know, he's growing himself up into this new right back role जहाँ पे उसको एक right sided center back ज़्यादा खेलना है. He doesn't have to run that much as a right back or right wing back that he used to, which is quite good for him right now because uski injury, you know, history has been really bad. So itne time baad to recover hoke aaya wapas. So Reece James playing in the right sided center back position is really good, and he's playing really well. So kudos to him, and this brings us to the end of this video, guys. Chelsea won a great match 3-1 against Wolves, and Maresca को kudos देना चाहिए. उसका गेम मैनेजमेंट बेटर हो रहा है, उसकी टीम सिलेक्शन बेटर हो रही है, and bringing Chalobah back has been a really good move, guys. I'm really appreciating it, and keep on this spirit, guys. I hope we win the next match as well. And also, guys, since I'm back from Mahakumbh, I'll be creating that video, I'll be editing it, and then I'll be sharing into my another channel. तो अगर आपको वो वीडियो देखनी है, महाकुंभ से रिलेटेड सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन जाननी है, सो कमेंट करके जरूर लिखना महाकुंभ. हर हर महादेव. गो चेल्सी, गो दिल से ब्लूज.